Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will teach you a beautiful pattern for blanket, texture pattern for blanket. You can easily to change the size smaller or bigger. For more details visit my website, link in the description box. Let us start. For this blanket I am using a double knit medium weight 4-ply wool and crochet hook, measuring tape. We will need crochet hook 4 mm G6, make a loop, chains 1 2 3 4 5 16 17 18 19 20 chains plus 1 turning chain. Second chain, single crochet 1 2 3 4 single crochet in each 20 stitch across 19 and 20 single crochet 1 2 3 chains, turn work, skip one stitch. In the next stitch make a double crochet, one two three double crochet, skip one stitch, next stitch 3 double crochet, skip next stitch, skip 1 2 stitch, in the next 3 double crochet, skip next 2 stitch, in the next stitch 3 double crochet, skip next stitch 1 2, in the third stitch make a double crochet, continue and follow the same work across. In row 1 I have a double crochet 1 2 3 4 5 6, skip next stitch, in the next stitch make a double crochet, 20 stitch, chain 1, and this chain 1 we count first stitch, single crochet in the same stitch, and in the next stitch make a single crochet, in the same stitch, and in the next stitch make a single crochet, in the same stitch and the next stitch make a single crochet, in the same stitch and the next stitch single crochet, 20 across each stitch. Here this chain 1 we count first stitch, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. Stitch, 1 2 3 chains, 1 2 3 chains and turn work, skip one stitch, in the next stitch double crochet 3, skip 1 2 stitch. In the next stitch double crochet 3, skip 2 stitches. In the next stitch double crochet 3, continue and follow the same work across. Skip the next stitch. In the chain 1 make a double crochet. Next stitch make a single crochet. In the same stitch, in the next stitch make a single crochet. In the same stitch, in the next stitch make a single crochet. Same stitch, in the next stitch make a single crochet. Continue and make 1 single crochet in each stitch across. Here in the same stitch and the next stitch single crochet. Continue and make a single crochet. Here in the next stitch single crochet and 1 single crochet between 2 stitch, and I have the same number stitches, 3 chain, and skip the next stitch. In the next stitch make double crochet 3, skip 2 stitches. In the next stitch double crochet 3, in the chain 1 here top of chain 1 make a double crochet 1,